A U.S. State Department spokesperson confirmed on July 21st that a U.S. government employee from the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office had been prevented from leaving China for months under Beijing's exit ban. The Chinese-born U.S. employee is a naturalized U.S. citizen and was visiting his family in China's Chengdu city, but was detained by the Chinese authorities upon landing. The U.S. State Department said it has no higher priority than the safety and security of American citizens. We are tracking this case very closely and are engaged with Chinese officials to resolve the situation as quickly as possible, the department added. The New York Post reported that the U.S. employee was prevented from leaving China after he failed to disclose on his visa application that he worked for the U.S. government, according to 4 people familiar with the matter. The news came less than a week after Wells Fargo Bank confirmed that one of its senior executives, Chen Mao, a Chinese-born U.S. citizen, was prevented from leaving China for months after visiting the country. On Mao's detention, in a press conference on July 21st, Foreign Ministry spokesperson Guo Jiakun said, "Ms. Mao Chenyue is involved in a criminal case currently being handled by Chinese law enforcement authorities and is subject to exit restrictions in accordance with the law. Pursuant to Chinese laws, with the case still under investigation, Ms. Mao cannot leave the country for the time being and has an obligation to cooperate with the investigation." Guo did not provide details of the alleged crime committed by Mao. Beijing enacted a counter-espionage law in 2023, which can arbitrarily stop anyone from leaving the country who are suspected of committing espionage in China. On July 16th, a Beijing court sentenced a Japanese executive from Astellas Pharma to 3.5 years imprisonment for alleged espionage. In 2023, Charles Wang Zhonghe, a senior banker at Japan's Nomura Holdings, was banned from leaving China during his visit. Japan warned that China's opaque laws and legal processes are discouraging people from traveling to the country.